This is a cow. It's white with black spots. Our next one is a horse. It's brown. Our next one is a raccoon. It's blue with black eyes and a white tummy. Our next one is a donkey. This donkey is gray. It's got black hair as well too. Our next one is an elephant. This elephant is gray with pink ears. Our next one is a flamingo. It's pink with a purple beak. Our next one is a duck with a horn. This duck is blue. Our next one is a goat. It's gray with black horns. Our next one is a tiger. It's orange with black stripes. Our next one is a rhinoceros. It's gray and brown. Our next one is a turtle. It's green, and this one has a white shell that looks like a baseball. Our next one is a cow. It's white with brown spots. Our next one is a shark. It's blue. Our next one is a pig. It's pink. Our next one is a hippo. It's blue. Our next one is a lion. It's brown with dark brown hair or a mane. Our next one is a chicken. It's yellow and orange. Our next one is a toucan. It's purple with a blue belly and a multicolored beak. Our next one is an owl. It's brown with a white belly. Our next one is a dog. It's brown with black ears. Our next one is a cow with its baby. These cows are white with some black spots. Our next one is an elephant. It's gray with pink ears. next one is a horse. This one is tan with orange hair. A dinosaur. This is a Tyrannosaurus Rex. It's yellow and green. This is a panda. It's black and white. This is a green duck. This is a yellow duck that's very big with an orange beak. And this is a giraffe. It's yellow with orange stars. And that's all we have for today, everybody. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.